Hey everyone, if you are looking to design custom products and sell them online using Canva and Printify is one of the easiest ways to create and sell your own branded merchandise. In this video, I will walk you through how to design with Canva and use Printify to bring your designs to life. No prior design experience required. Canva is a fantastic design tool that's simple to use with the drag and drop features, and Printify allows you to create, print, and ship custom products on demand. When combined, they make an ideal platform to design and sell your own merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more without holding any inventory. First of all, head over to printify.com and sign up for a free account. Once you are in, you can start exploring products like t-shirts, hoodies, uh, phone case, or anything you want to design and sell. Before we start designing, you need to connect your Printify account to your e-commerce platform. You can integrate with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, or others. Just go to my store, then manage my stores, then click connect. This will allow you to automatically sync your designs and products with your stores. Now, let's design your product. Head to canva.com and log in. Choose a template. Select t-shirt design template from templates. T-shirt design, search for t-shirt designs. Like that. Then click on customize this template button. Design your product. You can either upload your own image from here or use Canva's best library of graphics, fonts, elements, or icons. For example, if you are creating a t-shirt, you might add a catchy quote or cool graphic like that. Set the right dimensions. Printify will give you the dimensions needed for each product. For a t-shirt design, the recommended size is often 4500 4500 into 5400 pixels for optimal print quality. Make sure your design fits within these dimensions. Always ensure your design has enough padding around the edges so it doesn't get cut off when printed. Once you're happy with your design, click download, click share button from here, then click download. In the and select PNG or JPEG as your file format and make sure to enable the transparent background. If you are designing something like a logo or artwork that needs to be placed on colored products. Next, head back to Printify, select the product from dashboard like this. Then start designing. Then upload your image from upload my device. Then adjust the design by resizing, rotating, or repositioning to fit. To fit the product template after your design is uploaded and positioned correctly. You can customize the product details, add product title, click Save Product, Save Selection, and confirm. Now that your design is ready, it's time to push product to store. If you have connected Printify to Shopify or Etsy, simply click Publish from here. Printify will automatically sync the product to your store and it will be available for your customers to purchase. And that's it. You have successfully designed a product on Canva, uploaded it to Printify, and listed it for sale in your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more design and business tips, and drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.